Dear students, I hope you're all doing very well and you and your family members are safe. Last week I sent you a task on alignment to your emails. Some of you have done it and sent it back to me, well done. And those who haven't done it and those who are finding it a bit difficult, please refer this video. I'm doing it on my own. And today's class is on alignments, left, center, right, and justify. We will go instruction by instruction. First of all, I gave you the document. Open your email, open the attachment. You need to type this from curriculum YT till the end, hobbies. You need to type it in a Microsoft Word document. I'm just going to copy and paste it because I have already typed it. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it into my new document. But I expect you all to do your typing so that you understand the keyboard layouts. So that's fine. Now let's move on. I'll assume that you have done your typing, you finish your typing, and then we will see the next instruction. Let's see the next instruction. What does the instruction tells us? Now the first instruction tells me enter the text from the box below using the default settings of the computer, which we did. We typed the document. Next, the second instruction here, this is it. Check your work thoroughly, spell check and correct any errors. In case when you are typing the document, you have done spelling mistakes, you have got to do the spelling corrections. If you have done spelling mistakes, you will see red lines. So you have to do the spelling correction. I will talk more about this spelling and grammar mistakes in my future class when I'm doing with when I'm having the topic on when we're doing the topic on spelling and grammar mistakes. Okay. Next, the second instruction is type in your name, student reference number and group number in top left hand side of your page. Now I'll go back to my type document. Now if I see here my cursor, it's not moving, it's not going in there. So I need to make a place first. So I click at the beginning of C, press enter so that my curriculum YT goes down a bit, and then I just click. You see the cursor line blinking? That's where I will type my name. I'm typing my name, you type your name, and type group 1. Yeah, almost except Friday batch, all of the batches are group 1. And reference number, don't worry about it. Now if you can type your date as well, or you can just go into insert option, and then from there you can select date. Where is my date? Here, date and time, and I'm just gonna click on that. Okay, that's it. Now let me move on to my next instruction. Save your document as CV your first name. Now we have to save the document. Now if you see here, this is document 1. That means by default it has given a name document 1, but we have to save this work regularly. So I'll click on file, save as, and save as when my this is my window. When that window opens up, choose where you want to save. I'm saving it on documents, or I want to save it under documents. Yeah, make sure you click on documents and give a name, CV, CV and CV name, and then give a proper file name, and then click on save. Now if you notice here, the document 1 here is changed to CV Leela. That means that's the name of the file. Brilliant. Next, make the heading, next instruction, make the heading curriculum YT centered and underlined. Now last week before on my not last week, before that I sent you a task on changing font size, font style, bold, italic and underline. Is under tab home. If you click the bold, italic, underline, so you need to make this curriculum YT center. It's on the right hand side of the page. You need to align it center and make it underline. That's the main topic today. Alignments, left, center and right. So if I click anywhere in the sentence and I click on center, this option, it aligns center. If I click on right, it aligns right. If I click on left, it goes on left. But according to the instruction, it should be on center, yes, and it should be underlined. So I'm going to highlight it and I click on U, underlined. Brilliant. Now let's go on to next instruction. What's the next instruction? Next instruction tells me change the whole document to Comic Sans font and font size 14. Now the whole document, so I need to highlight everything. I'll click at the beginning of Z, keep pressing the mouse and then drag it till the end, and I drop it. Now it should be changed to font size 14. Font size 14 is here. From there I change it to font size 14, and the font style should be changed to Comic Sans. From there we see Times New. There's an arrow next to that, drop down arrow. If I click on that, then if I keep pressing the mouse, I can see different font styles. So there you go, I'm seeing my Comic Sans MS. I'll just click on that. That's it. It's changed to font style 14 and Comic Sans font. Now, brilliant. Now let's go to the next instruction. Align the third paragraph. This is my next instruction. Align the third paragraph center. So this is my first paragraph, this is my second paragraph, this is my third paragraph. I'll click somewhere in third paragraph and click on center alignment. This is my center alignment. I'll click on center. You see that it is aligned center. Oh, I love this video. You can pause it, rewind it, forward it. Nice. Now let's go on to the next instruction. Make the first paragraph right justified. Okay, right, first paragraph. This is my first paragraph. I click somewhere in the first paragraph. I click somewhere in the first paragraph and I select right justified. You see that it is all aligned to the right hand side. Nice. And that's my next instruction. Now I go into my next instruction. Save the document once again as CV1 your name. So how do we save now? Quick recap of saving the file, but with a different file name again. So I'm going to click on the word file, save as, and make sure where you want to save it. From here I'm selecting documents and then I'm changing it as CV1 leader, and then I click on the word save, so the file is saved. See that the file name is changed to CV1. Now it says print your work, hand it to the lecturer for marking. If you want, you can print your work. If you have a printer for your reference, you can keep it in your folder. But if you don't, but for now, save your work and send it as an attachment to your email. Send it to me as an attachment. I'll also send you all one more video on how to attach the file. This was my first video, students. Hope you all like it and you make use of it. I'm absolutely loving it. You can pause it, you can go rewind it, you can go forward, and then you can keep referring back without having to call me Leela all the time. Excellent. Okay, I'll upload I'll send you all my other videos as we go on. I wish you all a happy, peaceful Easter break in the house. Stay inside and stay safe. Bye bye.